Okay, is my screen visible to you all?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I've shared the assignment to you guys. Okay, so I hope it is visible to you all. Assignment.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in that assignment there are two important questions जो अभी तक आपने तीन क्वेश्चन है जो अभी तक आप नहीं कर पाओगे. One is something called as restoring division. There is something called as non-restoring division. And the third one is this. I'm talking of assignment 2, and the third one is something called as IEEE 754. Okay. So देखते हैं आज कितना कवर हो सकता है. Mostly मुझे लगता है सिर्फ restoring हो पाएगा. ये दोनों रह जाएगा. So that will be covering after the Diwali vacation. Okay. Will that be okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So जितना हो सकता है उतना आप असाइनमेंट लिखने की कोशिश करो. एंड काइंडली प्लीज नोट दैट कि आप A4 साइज के पेपर पे ही लिखो, क्योंकि जस्ट इन केस अगर ऑफलाइन होगा तो इन दैट केस यू नीड टू सबमिट दैट असाइनमेंट. ओके. सो राइट इट प्रॉपर्ली, डू इट वंस, बिकॉज वो सारे क्वेश्चन जो हैं दैट इज कंसिडर्ड एज इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. ओके. तो फाइनल एग्जाम में भी या यूटी में भी उन्हीं क्वेश्चंस में से कुछ क्वेश्चंस आपको आएंगे. तो डू इट प्रॉपर्ली, अच्छे से लिखो एंड मेक इट एज अ काइंड ऑफ नोट्स. ओके. सो अभी से अगर आप प्रिपेयर करना चालू करेंगे तो आपको ऑफलाइन के लिए भी आपका प्रिपरेशन होता रहेगा साइमल्टेनियसली. ओके. सो यूटिलाइज योर वेकेशन प्रॉपर्ली. Okay, so we'll start with the lecture, and also some of you have not joined the team. So the class advisor, the class representative CR, kindly please ensure कि आप जो टीम का लिंक है वो आप बच्चों को शेयर कर सके, so that they can send me the invite. Okay. So many of the students who are from direct second year, I don't know whether they are joining the team or not. Okay. Or they are joining the meeting or not. Okay. So please ensure that they are उनको टीम का लिंक मिल जाए. And yeah, Aviraj, are you there? Aviraj? Aviraj, are you there?
Sir,
Aviraj.
Baljeev is here.
Okay, Baljeev, are you there? Who's the news here? Is it Baljeev?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Baljeev. What about the Dyke second year students? Are they joining the meet or they are not? Because I haven't got the list or something of that sort.
Sir, they are joining it. I'll
They are
just send the
joining.
link again.
Okay,
दो
kindly
ही नए
send.
बच्चे आए हैं सर, बाकी सब तो रोज ही ज्वाइन करते हैं डायरेक्ट
अच्छा
सेकेंड ईयर
दो ही
वाले.
हैं क्या? दो ही हैं क्या अभी
हाँ
तक?
सर, कल दो ही आए थे बस.
ओके ओके ओके, फाइन फाइन फाइन. ठीक है, तो उनको जितने भी बच्चे हैं ना उनको एक बार टीम का लिंक भेज देना, क्योंकि अभी तक मेरे टीम में 45 स्टूडेंट्स ही हैं. एंड आई थिंक राइट नाउ द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द क्लास इज 56. सो अभी भी मेरे ख्याल से 11 बच्चों ने अभी तक ज्वाइन नहीं किया है. सो काइंडली शेयर द लिंक ऑफ द टीम अगेन. ओके, जस्ट डू दैट so that they can get the assignment,
ओके
else they
सर.
won't get the assignment from where
Sir, or you
they
can
have.
manually add them.
But I don't know कि वो कौन कौन किसने किसने ज्वाइन नहीं किया है ना. So that
आप
is like a kind of
क्या
hectic for me. Sorry.
स्ट्रेंथ की लिस्ट भेज दूं क्या 56 स्टूडेंट्स की?
एक लिंक शेयर कर दो ना, जो जो भी ग्रुप में रहेंगे वो उस जिनको ऐसा लगेगा जिन्होंने नहीं किया they can
सर वो
click on it
प्रॉब्लम
and they
ऐसा
can.
होता है ना सर, वो ग्रुप है ना, बहुत से लोग
जी.
चेक नहीं करते.
हाँ तो ठीक है ना, नहीं चेक किया तो अब वो हमारी जिम्मेदारी थोड़ी ना है. उनके भी तो कुछ तो मेहनत होनी चाहिए ना, कि उनको एक्चुअली अगर देखना है, असाइनमेंट देखना है या कुछ अगर उस पर सबमिट करना है तो उनकी जिम्मेदारी है. मैं एक एक को ऐड करूंगा तो दे विल टेक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड. सो लेट देम, इफ दे वांट टू, इफ दे डोंट वांट टू, नो इश्यूज. आई एम नॉट फोर्सिंग एनीवन. ओके. सो दिस इज व्हाट Baljeev you need to do. Kindly do it from your end. अपनी तरफ से आप खत्म कर दो. Don't force anybody. If they want to join they can join. Okay. If they don't want to join they don't have to. Okay. Should we start with the lecture?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in the last class we have done with the multiplication. So multiplication को करने के there are two different ways. Okay. So either you can use the traditional multiplication. Multiplication को करने के there are two algorithms. Either you can use the traditional algorithm, okay, which is the book and pen method. Okay, जो आपने अब तक अपनी लाइफ में किया. And the second method is something called as Booth's algorithm. Okay. So ये दोनों algorithm हमने पढ़े, देखे, समझे. बाद में हमें ये समझ में आया कि ये और सिर्फ ये जो algorithm था which was the traditional method, it only works with unsigned numbers. Okay, basically it works only with positive numbers, right? Whereas this case it works with all the numbers which is signed or unsigned numbers. It deals with the positive number as well as the negative number. Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. It is used in an instruction of 8086 called as mul. It is used in an instruction called as imul. Okay. What are these? जब हम actual दिवाली के बाद when we start with the practicals, during that time we'll be learning about what is mul and imul. Okay. So just remember, mul के अंदर we use traditional book and pen method, whereas in case of imul we use the Booth's algorithm. ओके सो ये हमने अब तक पढ़ा है. आज जो हम टॉपिक डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं दैट इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज द डिवीजन. सो इन केस ऑफ डिवीजन, डिवीजन को भी करने का देयर आर टू डिफरेंट अप्रोच. One is something called as restoration and other is called as a non-restoration. Okay, very important question. दोनों में से कोई एक कंफर्म आएगा in your paper. So restoration division method and the second one is called as a non-restoration division method. Fine. So first we'll understand what is a division. So just like multiplication, multiplication is nothing what we can call multiplication as successive addition. Okay. So basically if we want to perform 2 into 3, so we can do 2 plus 2 plus 2, right? So that is how we can get the answer. So what is a multiplication? We perform successive addition. Clear with part?
Yes, sir.
Just like that, division. What is division? If I want to divide 6 by 2, what I do? I perform सक्सेसिव सब्ट्रैक्शन. तो 6 में से 2 निकालूंगा, फिर 2 निकालूंगा, फिर 2 निकालूंगा until unless I have left with 0 or something which cannot be further divided. So that is something called as successive division or successive subtraction, and that is something called as division. So division is nothing but successive subtraction. Example, 6 एप्पल है और 2 लोग हैं. अगर आपको बांटना है तो आप क्या करोगे? यू गिव वन एप्पल टू वन पर्सन एंड द अनदर एप्पल टू अनदर पर्सन. एक एक एप्पल हो गया, फिर आप यू आर लेफ्ट विथ 4 एप्पल्स. You keep on giving one apple. You keep on doing that until and unless either you are left with 0 or you're left with an apple which cannot be further divided, right? Right? So something which is left is something called as remainder, and something which is properly divided is called as quotient. The term that you want to divide is called as dividend, and the term that you want to divide into is something called as divisor. Okay, so let's say you want to divide 64 by 4. So what is this term? This term is called as divisor or dividend.
So 4 divisor.
4 is divisor, 64 is dividend or divisor?
Dividend.
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 Okay, so if you look closely, we'll use the traditional method only. Okay, so traditional method में हम क्या करते हैं? Consider this as a blank space. Kindly pay attention to what I'm saying. Okay, kindly pay attention. There is a blank space. We perform left shift and get the 6 over here. Okay, this 6 is subtracted with the divisor. We are subtracting the first digit with the divisor. If the result is positive, that means the division is successful. The quotient bit will become 1. Is this clear? I'll repeat again. Perform the left shift. Try to subtract with divisor. If the result is positive, that means division is successful. Make the Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
एक
Yes,
मिनट
sir.
यार, ये कॉलेज का वाईफाई कसम से बेकार ही है. आई जस्ट स्विच टू हॉटस्पॉट. 2 मिनट. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So kindly pay attention. What we did first, left shift the dividend. Okay. After performing the left shift, try to subtract the divisor. If the result is positive, the the quotient bit will be made as 1 because it is the division is successful. After that, what you need to do? Get this 4, perform left shift and get this 4 over here. So what we'll get? We'll get 4 over here. 4 6 are 24. Okay, so that is why we get 24 over here. The result is positive, which is 0 is positive. Since it is positive, the division is successful. Hence, the quotient bit will be given as 6. Is this clear? This is how we generally do the division. Is it how we do the division?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
We'll check for unsuccessful condition. अगर unsuccessful हुआ तो क्या होता है? Okay, so let's say we have 64. We are trying to divide it with 8. Okay. So what is the first thing? Left shift the bit first. Get the 6 over here. Try to subtract this 8. This 6. Try to subtract 8 from 6. Okay, which is your divisor. What is the answer? 6 minus 8 is equal to minus 2. Since the result is negative, which means this attempt is unsuccessful. If it is unsuccessful, make the quotient bit as 0. And do you want to continue? या regenerate the previous number? Continue करोगे या regenerate करोगे? -24 कर दोगे या get back the original number?
रीजनरेट करेंगे सर.
Regenerate.
So the process of regenerating is something called as restoring. Is this clear? So what you'll get, you'll discard this and take this 6 over here. Okay, so we as a human, हमें पता है कि पिछली वैल्यू क्या थी बिकॉज हमारे पास पेन और पेपर है. हमें पता है कि पिछली वैल्यू 6 थी. बट कंप्यूटर जस्ट यूजेस अ रजिस्टर. रजिस्टर के अंदर एक बार डेटा डिलीट हो गया तो वापस रीजनरेट नहीं हो पाता है. ओके, तो उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? व्हाट शुड बी डू? यू वांट टू गेट these 6 बैक. ओके, आपने ये डिलीट किया, आपने 6 में से 8 निकाला तो आपका -2 आ गया. रजिस्टर में -2 आ गया. यू वांट टू गेट बैक द ओरिजिनल वैल्यू व्हिच वाज 6. हाउ विल गेट बैक दैट? कम ऑन, you want to get back the original number. How to get back the original number?
डिवाइजर में ऐड कर दो.
So divisor वापस ऐड कर दो. So add 8 again, you'll get 6 back. Correct? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So in computer because we have a register, उस register के अंदर जो भी चीज़ आप पहले initially 6 था, उस 6 को आपने उस 6 में से आपने 8 subtract किया. अब इसके अंदर वैल्यू आ गई -2. अब ये वापस आपको 6 चाहिए, लेकिन कंप्यूटर के अंदर रजिस्टर है वो ओवरराइड हो गया है. वापस ये लाने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? अगेन ऐड -2 में ऐड 8, अगेन ऐड द डिवाइसर. ओके, सो ये ऐड होने के बाद अगेन यू विल गेट 6 व्हिच वाज द प्रीवियस नंबर व्हिच यू वांटेड. इज दिस क्लियर? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that is the algorithm. We'll try to write down that thing in the words. Okay. So kindly pay attention. What is the name of the algorithm? The name of the algorithm is called as restoration division algorithm. First of all, and everybody knows, right, what is algorithm?
Yes, sir.
Can someone tell me what is an algorithm?
Step-by-step procedure which we follow to achieve a particular goal or
So basically program जब आप लिखते हो, when you write a program, you write down step by step instructions you write. Okay, you write down a proper instructions जो कि आपके कंप्यूटर को समझ में आए. Algorithm is kind of a program but it is not syntactically right. Okay, ये syntactically right नहीं है, ये सिर्फ आपके अंडरस्टैंडिंग को दिखाने के लिए बनाया जाता है. Okay, for example, अगर मुझे चाय बनानी है, okay, so what is the procedure for making a tea? So what is the step number 1? Get the respective utensils. Step number 2, get the tea. Okay, step number 3, get the water, boil the water, put the tea into it. That is step number 4. Wait for a certain time. After that, put some sugar into it, or put some milk if you want to. Okay, so that is something which is called as algorithm. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So that is something called a step-by-step process. Okay, so this step-by-step process को लिखने के there are multiple ways. Either you can write down the complete program if you're good in programming, or you can write down a pseudo code. What is the meaning of pseudo code? Pseudo means
नकली.
false. Pseudo means false. What is the meaning of code? The program. So you write down a false program, which means half of the program correct होगा और आधा program, आधा जो algorithm होगा वो English में होगा. So it is a mixture between an English and a programming language. Is that clear? That is something called a
Yes.
pseudo code. Is this clear? And the third technique is just write plain English. Okay, just like write any language. Okay, it is not just English. You can write down in any language that you can think of. But because our medium is English, so we'll be referring to English only. Is this clear? So ये तीन तरीके से आप एक algorithm को लिखते हो. Is this clear? I hope everybody got this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So restoration division algorithm is something, yeah. So इसके अंदर जो सबसे पहला step है, the first step is the number of steps required is equal to number of bits present in dividend. Okay, what is the meaning? कि इसके अंदर उतने स्टेप रहेंगे जितने डिविडेंड के अंदर बिट होंगे. ओके, एग्जांपल, ये कितने बार आप डिवाइड करोगे? पहले 6 को कोशिश करोगे, उसके बाद 4 को, 64 को आप डिवाइड करने की कोशिश करोगे. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स यू वांट टू ट्राई इट? 2 टाइम्स. इज दिस क्लियर? इज दिस क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
सिमिलरली ओवर हियर, पहले आप 6 को 8 से डिवाइड करने की कोशिश करोगे, नहीं होगा, अगले बार 64 को आप डिवाइड करने की कोशिश करोगे. सो कितनी बार आप ट्राई करोगे? 2 बार. सो द नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स रिक्वायर्ड इज इक्वल टू द नंबर ऑफ बिट्स प्रेजेंट इन द डिविडेंड. इज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट क्लियर? इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Step number 2. In each step perform, what is the first thing that we do? First thing क्या किया हमने सबसे पहले? Left shift, right?
Left shift.
In each step perform left shift. Okay. Step number 3, try to subtract. What you are trying to subtract? What you are trying to subtract?
From dividend.
Divisor.
The divisor
Divisor
from the
from
accumulator.
dividend.
Divisor from the accumulator. So क्या होगा? Try to subtract the divisor. So let's say the divisor is stored in m. Okay, so what you're trying to do? A minus m. Is this clear? This is your accumulator. ये जो blank space है, ये आपका accumulator है. इसको आप क्या करो? पहले left shift करो dividend को, वो आ गया अब accumulator में, and then you're trying to do what? Subtract from accumulator what? The divisor. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this blank space was your accumulator. This dividend that you have is something called as Q. This is something called as M. I hope you remember that in we have in the Booth's algorithm. So what you're trying to do? A के अंदर आप M को subtract करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो. Okay? Try to subtract divisor, which is M, from accumulator. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The result will be 2. Okay. If the answer is negative, the division is successful or unsuccessful? Come on.
Unsuccessful.
Unsuccessful. The division is unsuccessful. Okay. Restoration is required or not required? आपको
Required.
required. So restoration is required. And what about the quotient bit? Will it be made as 0 or 1?
0.
0. And quotient bit will be made as 0. Is this clear? This is the first point, the first possibility which can occur. Is this clear? So अगर 0 होगा, अगर नेगेटिव आएगा, ओके, क्या a माइनस एम, अगर a माइनस एम अगर आपका नेगेटिव आएगा, इन दैट केस आपको क्या करना है, द डिवीजन इज अनसक्सेसफुल। अंडरस्टैंडिंग आपको क्या समझ में आएगा अगर नेगेटिव आएगा, कि जो डिवीजन आप कोशिश कर रहे हो वो अनसक्सेसफुल होगा। इफ इट इज अनसक्सेसफुल, इन दैट केस रिस्टोरेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड। ओके, इट इज रिक्वायर्ड, माय बैड। ओके, सो रिस्टोरेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड, एंड उसी टाइम पे जो क्वोशिएंट बिट आपका होगा, उस क्वोशिएंट बिट को आपको 0 करना पड़ेगा। इज दिस स्टेप क्लियर टू यू?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. The second
sir.
condition is if the answer, which answer, a minus m. If the answer is positive, what is the conclusion? Division is successful or unsuccessful?
Successful.
Successful.
The division is successful. Okay. What about restoration? Required or not required?
No.
Not required.
Not required.
Not required.
Restoration is not required. Is not required. And what about quotient bit? Will it be made as 0 or 1?
1.
1.
One.
The quotient
One.
bit will be 1. Is this clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Step number 4. The result is given by two registers which is, what are the registers that we have? The remainder is given by accumulator and which is the other output? Quotient, right? Quotient is given by Q register. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this is the different step that we have in the case of restoration. Is this clear so far? We'll try to solve for it. Everybody has noted down? I hope you have written along with me.
Yes, sir.
Do you want time to note it down, or should we go ahead?
Move ahead.
Okay. So the next is, in exam the question will be, first they will agar theory पूछा तो they will ask you कि explain the working of restoration method in explain the method of division using restoration method. So ये एक सवाल बन सकता है जिसके अंदर आपको algorithm लिखना होगा, तो ये algorithm आपको पता होना चाहिए, और उसके बाद आपको एक एग्जाम्पल लेकर के आपको समझाना पड़ेगा अगर थियरी हुआ तो। अगर न्यूमेरिकल आएगा, which is the very high chances of coming, is the question will be solve for, okay, what is the question? Solve for 7. You are trying to divide this 7 by 2. This is what you need to do, and kindly pay attention using, आगे वाला टर्म पढ़ना बहुत जरूरी है, using रिस्टोरेशन मेथड। अगर नॉन रिस्टोरेशन समझ के अगर आपने सॉल्व कर दिया, आपका आंसर तो बराबर आएगा लेकिन मार्क्स आपको 0 मिलेगा। ओके, सो काइंडली पे अटेंशन व्हाट मेथड इज एक्सपेक्टेड फॉर बाय यू। ओके, सो इन दिस केस वी आर यूजिंग रिस्टोरेशन मेथड, यूजिंग रिस्टोरेशन डिवीजन मेथड। इज दिस क्लियर? So this is the question which will be asked in the paper, which will carry 8 or 10 marks. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So ये question को अब हम solve करने की कोशिश करेंगे. So we'll start from the first step. Okay. So the first step is identify. जैसे booths में था, we identify the multiplier and the multiplier. Over here we'll identify the divisor and the dividend. Okay. So kindly identify which is your divisor.
2.
It is 2.
2.
And it will be stored in a register called as M.
M.
Okay, kindly note it down. Okay, very important. divisor will be stored in M. Okay, then we have something called as dividend. अगर उल्टा सीधा कर दिया, in case of multiplication a into b आपने किया या b into a किया, आपका issue नहीं होगा. Okay, you'll get the same answer. But in this case, अगर आपने डिवाइजर को q में डाल दिया और डिविडेंड को m में डाल दिया, आपका आंसर पूरा अलग हो जाएगा, बिकॉज a डिवाइड बाय b is not equal to b divided by a. I hope you are getting it. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So किस रजिस्टर में क्या डेटा डालना है, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड दैट इज वेरी क्रूशियल फॉर यू टू गेट द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, सो डिविडेंड जो कि आपका 7 है वो जाएगा क्यू रजिस्टर में. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस केयरफुली. ओके, डू इट वेरी केयरफुली. आई हैव सीन दिस दैट पीपल हैव इंटरचेंज द नंबर्स, सो जिससे कि आंसर पूरा गलत हो जाता है. सो डोंट रिपीट दिस मिस्टेक. मैं पहले ही आपको आगाह कर रहा हूँ कि आपको ये चीज़ को ध्यान में रखना है. इज दिस क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
So once this is done, once you have identified, the next step is to convert everything in binary. Next is to convert everything into binary. So tell me the binary representation of 2. It is
0,
0,
1, 0.
1 0. Also get the negative number. Minus 2 क्या होगा? Get the 2's complement. Copy till you get the first one. After that, just flip the bit.
1, 1.
1 1. What is 7? 7 can be written down as 0 1 1 1. Minus 7 can be written down as, copy till you get the first one. After that, just flip the bit.
0, 0, 1.
Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Number 2
sir.
clear? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Step number 3, construct the table. Okay, so how to construct the table? First thing which is required is something called as operation.
Yes, sir. Accumulator.
Then we have something called as accumulator. Then we have something called as dividend or divisor.
Dividend.
Dividend, because पहले q आएगा. We don't have q minus 1 over here. We directly have divisor. Okay, and that register is called as M. Is this clear? Is this clear so
Yes,
far?
sir.
So kindly extend all these lines. I hope you're doing with me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The first step is, yeah, so पहले accumulator में क्या आएगा? 0 आ जाएगा. Dividend क्या है आपका? Q में क्या आएगा? 7 ना?
7.
7. And divisor, you're trying to divide 7 by 2. Okay, so this is the table that we have constructed. The first thing that we do is something called as initialization. So since every register is 4-bit, accumulator भी 4-bit का होगा, so write 0 into 4-bit. So it can be written down as 0 0 0 and 0. This 7 can be written down as 0 1 1 1. This 2 can be written down as 0 0 1 0. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So done with the initialization part, we start with the step number 1. Step number 1 क्या बोलता है सबसे पहला? What is the first thing that we need to do? The first thing that we do is something called as
Shift.
left shift. So perform the left shift. Okay, किसका? This complete 2 registers को आपको left shift करना है. Accumulator and dividend. Do the left shifting. So ये 0 जो है वो बाहर आ जाएगा, गिर जाएगा. यहाँ समझ में है ना? ये वाला it will fall off. This will come over here. This 0 will come over here. This 0 will come over here. This 0 will come over here. This 0, which was a part of dividend, will move inside the accumulator. Is this clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Okay. This one will come over here. This one will come over here. This one will come over here. And we'll be left with a blank space. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We are done with the left shift. Left shift करने के बाद what is the next thing that we try to do? We try to
Blank.
subtract. Accumulator में से क्या subtract कर रहे हो? M को, which is A plus of minus M, right ना? आपको क्या करना है? A minus M करना है, which is equal to A plus of minus M. So which is equal to A plus of minus 2. What is minus 2 in this case? We have already got that value, which is 1110, right?
1.
Yeah. So we'll put 1110 to the accumulator and try to add 1110 to 0000. So just add it 0 1 1 1. Is this clear so far? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Look at the result. Since the number is negative or positive, come on, tell me. Look at the MSB. Looking at the MSB, what is the
Negative.
number? So since the number is negative,
Negative.
division is successful or unsuccessful?
Unsuccessful.
Unsuccessful. Hence restoration is required or not required?
Required.
Restoration
Required.
required. We as a human, because we have already got the previous value क्या था 0000, तो हम लोग डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे लिख देंगे. कंप्यूटर क्या करेगा? इट विल ऐड द डिवाइजर अगेन. सो डिवाइजर क्या था 2, so it will add 0010 again and it will get back which was the original value, which was all zeros. आपको ये करने की जरूरत नहीं. आपको क्या करना है, जो पिछली वाली वैल्यू थी वो वापस रिस्टोर करनी है. इज दिस क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is how we perform the restoration. After that, just get the other values which is 1111 and उस dash में आपको क्या fill करना पड़ेगा? Empty space में what you need to fill? The quotient bit will become, if it is
Zero.
unsuccessful, it will become 0. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Clear. So that is step number 1. Okay. Step number 1. कितनी बार करना है? It depends on the number of bit which we have in
Bits.
case of dividend. So कितने हैं? 4. तो 4 step आपको करने. Is this step 1 clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you please repeat it again?
Okay. I'll do that in step 2. Kindly pay attention. Okay. Step 2 में मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? हर एक स्टेप में सबसे पहला मुझे क्या करना है? लेफ्ट शिफ्ट. सो लेफ्ट शिफ्ट एवरीथिंग. सो दिस 0 विल फॉल ऑफ. ये 3 0 आ जाएंगे आपके. सो 0 0 0. ओके. दिस 0 हैज फॉल ऑफ. ये बाकी सब के सब इधर आ चुके हैं. ये 1 जो आपका डिविडेंड में था वो आ जाएगा एक्यूमुलेटर में. इज दिस क्लियर सो फार? इज
Yes,
दिस
sir.
क्लियर? किसको डाउट था? कैन आई नो द नेम हु हैड इट आउट? कोई नाम बता सकता है?
Sir, Sakshi.
Sakshi. So Sakshi, kindly pay attention. So this one is over here. We just are performing left shift. Is this clear so far? Sakshi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. अब ये जो 1 है वो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. ये 1 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. I'll write down this 0 in blue color. So ये 0 आपका इधर आ जाएगा. Along with that we have a blank space left. क्यों? क्योंकि मेरा पहला bit fall off हो चुका है. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
After every left shift, we need to perform an operation which is called as subtract the divisor from the accumulator, which is equal to a plus of minus m. m हमारा 2 था, तो minus m क्या होगा? -2. So add -2 to this accumulator. What is -2? 1110. So I'll add 1110 to the accumulator. Is this clear so far? Sakshi, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So try to add
Sir, I
1
was
plus 0.
having doubt.
Yeah,
I was having doubt that in first step how it came negative number, like how we identified it.
Yeah. I'll let you know. So this 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. In order to identify whether a number is negative or not, we need to check its first bit. अगर first bit जो है वो 1 होगी, that means the number is negative. अगर first bit 0 हुआ, that means the number is positive. Right? So looking at the MSB, Sakshi, tell me, the number is negative or positive?
Sir, positive.
Look at the MSB. If the MSB is 1, I'll explain it again, okay? If the MSB मतलब पहली bit अगर 1 हुई, number is negative. If MSB is 1. If the MSB is 0, the number is positive. So look at the MSB, look at this bit. Is it 1 or is
Sir,
it
it
0?
is negative.
So the number is
It is
negative.
1.
So since the number is negative, the division is successful or unsuccessful? Look at the algorithm and tell me the answer. Algorithm के अंदर.
Sir, it is unsuccessful.
Unsuccessful. So division मेरा हो जाएगा unsuccessful. Since the division is unsuccessful, restoration will be performed or not performed. Restoration required होगा या नहीं होगा?
Sir, restoration is required.
Restoration is required. Very good so far. In case of restoration required, you don't have to add the divisor. You already know पहले value क्या थी subtraction से पहले. So वो वाली value आप वापस copy कर लोगे. So what was the value? 0001. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. 0001. बाकी बचे हुए bit क्या हो जाएगी? 11. This was in blue color, so I'll just write down in blue color. Since it was unsuccessful, this bit will become 0. Quotient bit will become 0. Is this clear, Sakshi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that was step number 2. Step number 2 is over. Now we'll go to step number 3. Okay. So step number 3 में सबसे पहला क्या काम करेंगे? What is the first thing that we do? Perform the left shift. So perform the left shift. This 0 will fall off. आ जाएगा 0, 0, 1 और ये 1 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. Then 1. Then we have 2 zeros and a blank. Right? Na? 2 zeros and a blank. Is this clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perform subtraction of accumulator में से क्या subtract करोगे? The device m. So which is addition of minus m, which is equal to 1110, which is equal to 1110. So I'll add 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, add the number. 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 0. Carry 1. This is nothing but 0. Carry 1. This is nothing but 0. Carry 1. Ignore the carry. Discard it. Look at the number and now tell me whether it is negative or positive. Sakshi.
Positive.
Why positive, Sakshi?
Sir, because MSB is 0.
MSB is 0. Okay. So since the MSB is 0, therefore the number is positive. Since the number is positive, the division is successful or unsuccessful?
It is successful.
It is successful. Since it is successful, restoration is required or not required?
Restoration is not required.
Not required. In that case, we'll take this number as it is. Okay, so हम क्या ले लेंगे? 0, 0, 0, 1, जो कि number change हो चुका है, वही वाला value लेंगे. We won't roll back to the previous value. Okay, so ये आ गया. और उस केस में जो आपका quotient bit था, वो क्या बन जाएगा? What will happen to the quotient bit? Will it become 0 or 1? The blank space, because the division was successful. So ये बन जाएगा 1. Is this clear so far? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. क्या हमें स्टॉप करना है और कि और करना है?
तो कंटिन्यू करेंगे, लास्ट स्टेप पे
कंटिन्यू करेंगे, लास्ट स्टेप करेंगे, बिकॉज 4 steps are required. Okay, so this is step number 3 over. We'll start with step number 4. Step number 4 क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले perform the left shift. This 0 will come off. आ जाएगा यहाँ पे 0, 0, 1. This 1 will come into the accumulator. You have 000, 1 and a dash. Sorry, 00, 00, 1 and a dash. Is this clear? After left shift.
Yes, sir.
After that, perform a minus m, which is equal to a plus of minus m, which is 1110. अगर आप ऐड करोगे तो आप a minus m कर रहे हो. So come on, add it. 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 0. Carry 1. Carry is discarded. Looking at the number is negative or positive?
Positive.
The number is positive. Since the number is positive, division is successful or unsuccessful?
Required. Successful.
Successful.
Since it is successful, restoration is required or not required?
Not required.
Restoration not required. What about the quotient bit? The quotient
It will
bit
become 1.
1.
0,
So
0, 1, 1.
0, 1, 1. Is this clear so far?
Yes, sir.
You need to stop over here. You need to stop over here. The result is given by two register. एक आपका accumulator होगा और दूसरा आपका divisor होगा. Accumulator क्या result देगा? It is called as remainder. So tell me what is the remainder? Convert this number. It is equal to 1. And this is nothing but the quotient. So quotient क्या आएगा? 3. So यही आना था. 7 divided by 2 is nothing but 3 as the quotient and 1 as the remainder. Are we getting the same thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is how we perform the restoration method. Is this clear to you? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Was it difficult?
नहीं.
No, sir.
Okay, so these questions, Booth algorithm, restoration, non-restoration, it is pretty simple. The only thing is that you need to do some practice for it, क्योंकि कभी कभार कुछ गलती होने की वजह से, और अगर आप proper table बना दोगे, there is a very less scope of making a mistake. But if you don't make a table out of it, अगर आप time नहीं दोगे, patience नहीं रहोगे, कहीं ना कहीं एक bit आपको फिर धोखा दे देगा, and that is how you will get zero, straight zero marks in this. अगर एक भी गलती होगी, सीधा zero हो जाएगा आपका. So it is like a house of card. अगर गलती से वो कार्ड इधर से उधर हुआ, पूरा का पूरा जो घर है वो नीचे गिर जाएगा. ओके, सो काइंडली पे अटेंशन एंड डू एवरीथिंग स्मूथली. ओके, एंड यू विल गेट जितना भी मार्क्स का होगा, वेदर इट इज 8 marks or 10 marks डिपेंडिंग ऑन द पेपर, you will get complete marks in it. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. Is this clear? I hope it is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll take another example and we'll stop over there. Okay, so मेरे ख्याल से ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं बचा है. So the next question is, kindly, if everybody understood it, kindly do it. Okay, so the question is, try to divide 13 by 3. Try to divide 13 by 3 using restoration method. Okay, so कैसे करेंगे? The first thing is, get the dividend and the divisor. So dividend is 13. It will be stored where? Q or M?
Q.
Q.
Divisor is 3. It will be stored in M.
M.
Okay. Step number 2, convert everything into step number 2.
Binary.
Binary. Convert everything into binary. So this 13 can be written down as, come on, tell me.
01101.
4 12 01101. This is how we write down 13. What about minus 13?
10011.
1. This is 1. This is 0. This is 0. This is 1. 10011. Okay. So that is minus 13. 3 can be written down as 0011 and minus 3 can be written down as 1011. Okay. So after this, step number 3. हाँ, दूसरी बात, दोनों नंबर को आप इक्वल में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. So you have to add extra 0 over here. Over here you have to add extra 1.
One.
Okay. So now everything is of 5 bit. Accumulator भी आपका 5 bit का होगा. So start constructing your table out of it. Okay. So table बनाने की कोशिश करो. So construct the table. In the table, the first column that you have is something called as operation. The second one is something called as accumulator.
Accumulate.
The third column is something called as the dividend, and it will be called as a register called as the Q. Then we have something called as divisor, and it is called as M. Okay, so initially we have accumulator में 0, and dividend we have something called as 13, and divisor we have something called as 3. Perform the initialization. So accumulator, when written down in 5 bits, so it is written down as 5 zeros. 13 can be written down as 0 1 1 0 1. This 3 can be written down as 0 0 0 1 1. Okay. Step number 1.
Left shift.
Perform the left shift. So left shift करो, this 0 will fall off, तो 4 0 आ जाएंगे. ये वाला 0 अब यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. So we'll left with 1 1 0 1 and a dash. Okay. After that, perform a minus m, which is equal to plus of minus m, which is minus 3. What is minus 3? It is 11101, right? 11101. So add 11101 to this number. 11101 to this number. What you'll get? You'll get same thing, which is 1110. Anything added with 0 is nothing but the other number, right? So 11101. Looking at the number is negative or positive?
Negative.
Number is negative. Since the number is negative, successful or unsuccessful? Division?
Successful.
Unsuccessful. Since it is unsuccessful, restoration required or not required?
Required.
Required. So get back the previous value, which is all zeros. Okay. And then 1101, and this dash will be equal to
0.
0 because it was unsuccessful. Okay. That is the end of step number 1. do it for step number 2 and keep on doing it. I hope you got the point. कैसे करना है?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we don't have time to discuss the non-restoration. We'll look at the non-restoration and the IEEE 754 after Diwali. Is it clear? Anybody has any doubts so far in the restoration division method? Anybody?
No, sir.
No, sir. No doubt.
Okay. Anybody want to discuss about anything? Should I stop? I'll just stop the recording. हो जाएगा ना ये division?
Yes, sir. हो जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
Okay.